Repeating the same construction details again and again is one of the most reliable ways to keep a home build budget-friendly without making it look cheap. When designers plan for repetition, they start by standardizing key elements like window schedules, cabinet modules, stair details, ceiling heights, and light fixture types, so trades can work faster with fewer surprises. Using identical window sizes and types means your framer, installer, and supplier are all dealing with the same opening details, which cuts down on cutting, shimming, and special orders. Repeated cabinet modules, like the same base and wall cabinet widths throughout the kitchen and bathrooms, allow your cabinet maker or supplier to order in bulk and assemble faster. Keeping ceiling heights uniform from room to room means fewer framing transitions, simpler duct runs, and easier drywall, which all reduce labor hours. A consistent stair detail, such as the same tread depth, riser height, and railing style in every stair, lets the carpenter repeat a proven layout rather than redesigning each flight. Repeating only a few light fixture types across rooms simplifies wiring, switching layouts, and future bulb replacement, while also letting you negotiate better pricing because you are buying more of fewer items. The first mistake people make is asking for small, one-off changes room by room, like a different window size in every space, which quietly drives costs up. So try to limit exceptions to only those that truly change how you live, such as one special picture window in the living room. Another issue is choosing custom cabinet sizes everywhere because it feels more tailored, when in reality, sticking to a grid of repeated cabinet widths gives you a clean look and lets you splurge on better hardware or countertops instead. A third common problem is mixing many ceiling heights and one-of-a-kind stair layouts that seem interesting on paper but cause framing headaches and coordination errors. So work with your designer to use a consistent floor-to-ceiling height and a single stair detail, then bring character in through finishes, color, and furniture instead of structure. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to match these standardization ideas with real contractors who know how to execute repeated details efficiently for homeowners. On our site, homeowners can search for local pros, contractors can showcase their work and find new projects, and everyone can use our discussion community to swap ideas and ask questions about cost-saving home construction strategies.